Hello friends, today's topic Tata Motors demerger news likely to appreciate further question mark. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society and education of society. Topic number 1 of today. Yesterday evening, Tata Motors made a surprise announcement. The board of directors of Tata Motors approved the proposal to demerge the company into two separately listed companies. One company will contain the commercial vehicle businesses and other will contain passenger vehicle business including EVs and Jaguar Land Rover. The demerger will be implemented over the next 12 to 15 months and all shareholders of Tata Motors shall continue to have identical shareholding in both the listed companies. So the company will just be split into two parts and the share price may get adjusted based on the value of each division. Hence, for every share held now, the shareholders will get one share in the new entity. As of now, in terms of revenue, the following is the approximate contribution of different divisions. Commercial vehicles 20%, to passenger vehicles plus Jaguar Land Rover 80%. So just an example, at the time of demerger, assuming that share price is 1100, then commercial vehicle company shares may be 220, and the passenger vehicle company may be around 880. The reason for the demerger is to make the company structure more simple. The commercial vehicle business usually has lower growth and lower profit margins. On the other hand, passenger vehicles, especially electric vehicles and Jaguar Land Rover are expected to grow at a much higher rate with higher profit margin. Hence, by demerging the two divisions, the passenger vehicle division is expected to get higher valuation. Jaguar Land Rover's share in Tata Motors passenger division revenue is around 75 to 80%. Rest of the passenger vehicles, including electric cars, account for only 20 to 25%. Over the last few years, Jaguar Land Rover's debt has significantly reduced and this is the reason for the turnaround in the Tata Motors stock. So the hope is that passenger vehicle shares will be valued at a higher level. This will create better value for shareholders. Hyundai Motors India is planning an IPO by October 2024. When Tata Motors shares demerge, investors will have three choices: Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai and Tata Motors. But Tata Motors business will have a slight advantage in terms of global sales since it earns from Jaguar Land Rover sales all over the world compared to Maruti Suzuki and Hyundai Motor mainly dependent on the domestic market and only to a smaller extent on exports. Due to the optimism of the demerger, Tata Motors shares rallied up to 8% today morning and finally closed around 3.6% higher at rupees 1023. Now coming to topic number 2. Yesterday, RBI debarred IIFL Finance to stop sanctioning gold loans with immediate effect due to many deviations from the RBI rules. Due to this, IIFL Finance shares fell by 20% today. The gold loan business of IIFL Finance is quite significant and has given out around 25,000 crores worth of gold loans so far. This is around 32% of its assets under management. Although the current action by RBI is temporary, it is not clear till when IIFL Finance will not be able to issue gold loans. It all depends on the corrective action taken by IIFL Finance. If RBI is satisfied, they may allow them to resume gold loans business. The shares of Manappuram Finance rallied by 1% and Muthoot Finance rallied by 2% since it is a positive for their business because the rival company IIFL Finance will not be able to temporarily issue gold loans. In fact, the shares of Manappuram Finance and Muthoot Finance were up by around 14% each before it fell to close marginally higher. IIFL Finance hopes to sort out the problems as soon as possible so that it does not have any significant impact on its profits in the coming few quarters. In fact, IIFL Finance shares had rallied by 32% in the last 1 year and almost the entire gains got wiped out in just a single day today. End of the video, here is a question. Central government is proposing to standardize the rates of medical procedures and treatment. Do you support this plan? Yes or no, you may type. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.